Hello, guys. You say hello to me.
Yeah. Like this, like this. You hold it like this. Like that. Show your face. Guys, Nina picked me up.
Nina. Guys, Nina picked me up. I like it.
She's eating pantisal. May nakatambay yan sa harapan ng bahay. Sa tabi ng puno. Nag-aaray nga pala. Kakagising na lang. Hindi. Kaya pala ako nagising. Mga an hour ago. Kakatapos lang natin maghilamos, I should say. Ayan. Kailangan na natin maghilamos kasi ang mga bata ay nandito. Si Sebastian at si Eva natulog dito, nag-sleepover. Pero si Amelia kakadating lang around 9:30 something. Siguro I'll message Chris so I can borrow Jacob para para makita niya mga pinsan niya kasi 4 days silang hindi nagkita-kita, although hindi naman sila madalas magkita every week. Pero yan, matagal na yung 4 days na hindi sila magkita kasi hindi naman ganun yung every week nila. Madalas naman sa isang linggo sila magkita. So, doesn't make sense yung sinabi ko. Yeah, sa loob ng isang linggo, madalas silang magkita. Pero hindi yung araw-araw. Kaya yung 4 days, mahaba na sa kanila for them. And I believe they miss each other. Parang I don't know, I need to change this na kasi hindi naman ako nakakaramdam ng, or sa weather lang to, basta dry ang pakiramdam ko dito sa linya ng lips ko, sa upper lips. Nung nakarang araw, dito sa medyo bandang loob ng upper lips. Ngayon, nandito na siya sa taas. May nakakapa ako, pero, anyways. I'm actually not in a good mood today. Pero Yeah. Tuloy ang araw ko. I'll make it beautiful. Kahit na yung gising ko ay it's not good, I'll make it beautiful. Kasi nandiyan yung mga pamangkin ko. Aww. Makikipaglaro na lang ako sa kanila. I'll maybe go to Chris and bring Jacob. Let's see. Kung ano sasabihin niya. Kahapon, nakalimutan natin lagyan to ng vitamin C. Ngayon, no way. What's next? Yeah, meron na naman akong bagong tubo na tigyawat. Pero isa lang. Ito lang. Lalagyan natin siya. Baka makalimutan ko rin maglagay nito. Yesterday, I can't remember kung meron na to yesterday. Ngayon nag-vlog na ako, maalala ko na kung ano nilagay ko sa mukha ko. Although hindi naman ako ganun kagrabe na makalimot. In denial. Anyway. Ang itim na itong nasa ibabaw ng or sa gitna ng noo ko. Malapit na maubos to, malapit na. Konting-konti na lang, pinipiga ko na lang siya. Yung tunog niya wala na. Nakakakarte yung ano ko, yung ilong ko. Yung gitna ng ilong ko. Sandali lang. Kailangan akong mag-antay ng konti para matuyo yung mga pinaglalagay ko sa mukha ko so far. Message na natin si Chris. Yeah. Inask ko si Chris, sabi ko, can I pick up Jacob? Cousins are here. And then sabi niya, okay, sure, yes, please. And then nag-thumbs up ako. And then sabi niya, he wants me to play with him, but I'm so busy. Okay, thanks. Okay, sabi ko, skincare lang ako at magbibis ako and then I'll go there. And then, yeah. Working from home kasi si Chris, and pag nag-work siya, nasa sala si Jacob, siya nasa dining. Ayun lang yung kinaganda ng work niya. Kasi working from home sila. So, since pandemic, hindi na sila bumalik ng what they call this, office. And then, nagstay home na lang sila kasi nagustuhan ng company nila na magstay home na lang sila. Kasi nga, makakatipid sila ng renta ng building or office. Anyways, I need to hurry up kasi 10 na, and siguro ibabalik ko si Jacob para mag-nap ng 12 or 12:30 bago mag 12:30, or depende kung anong oras siya nagising today kasi depende ang nap niya. Mag-nap siya na maaga, 12 or 12:30, 12:15, something like that, kung maaga siya nagising. Kung medyo late, the usual na gising niya, medyo matagal, 12:30, tapos something, almost 1. Anyways, kalimutan ko maglagay ng dadalhin ko kayo itong camera ko kasi gusto niyang naghahawak ng camera. Hahanapin na naman niya kayo sa akin. Where's the guys? Guys, ang tawag niya sa camera ko. Anyways, maya umutot na yung ko. Nasa yung ay siguro nasa bag ko yung kasi nagbukas ako ng bago na ito. Ito yung luma. Nagbukas ako ng bago dahil nga akala ko dadala ko sa New Jersey. But hey Siri, timer for 2 hours.
2 hours starting now.
Thank you.
Don't mention it.
Okay, so ito yung suot-suot ko noong Friday. Ayan, yung gray na pantalon and medyo brown mocha na top. Ka-color nga siya ng ng relo ko. Diba? Ayan. Ito lang yung susutin natin. And I'll bring my bag. And what is that? May ko dito. What do you call this? Parang mantika ba yan? Hindi ko matandaan yan. But sana matanggal siya pag nalabhan. Anyways, let's go. Grabe ang init ng pintuan namin. Labas ko lang. And susunduin na natin si Jacob. There's something sa ano. Yeah. Ganda ng weather today. And walang tao sa labas. Nakaupo yung merong dalawa dito sa kaliwang side ko na nakaupo lang sa sa harapan ng pintuan nila. Hawak ko tong cellphone ko and camera ko para hindi nakakahiyang mag-vlog. Parang heart shape yung ano ba tawag dito? Maple tree nila Chris sa harapan ng bahay nila. Ang cute. Ang cute niyan pag fall na kasi color red siya. Nagiging color red. Grabe. Merong something sa puno na yan. Ayan na si Jacob. Nagre-ready na. Jacob! Let's go! Let's go! Oh! Labas agad! Where's your bag?
Where's your bag? Come. You're gonna be good, right, loves?
Okay.
Okay, shh, give me a kiss.
Your bag. Bigyan mo nga sa akin.
Gatas.
Mm.
Or I can drop him.
30 or 1. Okay, it's up to you.
Honda not here.
Yeah, kung that's not. Wala yung sakyan ko eh.
Let's go.
Ikaw ba? Kinuha.
Oh! Kinuha today?
Oo.
Oh. Oh, no running.
Masyado siya ha. Nalaglag yan eh, kahapon.
Bakit? Sa mukha? O sa tuhod? Wala?
Ayun sa kanan niya.
Ah, let me see your bubo, okay? Ah, okay. Yeah. Let's go. Ay, ay.
Ow.
Ay, ay. Ano ba yan? Hawak ka na nga. Let's go across the street. I'll let you hold something. Wait.
Are you stopping the camera, I think?
Huh? Yeah.
Can you hold the camera this time?
Okay po. Let's cross muna. Let's cross the street. Oh, be careful. Magdadapa ka na naman.
I might need to.
Cousins are home. That's why I pick you up.
Or you pick me up. What?
Opo.
Can you have the camera this time?
Okay, yes, opo. You hold the guys. You talk to the guys, okay?
Okay.
You don't drop the guys.
Okay. Hello, guys. You say hello to me.
Yeah. Like this. You hold it like this. Like that. Show your face. Guys, Nina picked me up.
Nina. Guys, Nina picked me up. He said yes.
They're talking to you.
Yes.
Show your face, okay?
They're saying hi.
Hi.
Yes, they're saying hi to me.
How's
They say-
Leon?
They're saying hello, hello, hello.
How? You say hello? Like that? Okay.
Do you have it?
You hold it. Just hold it.
Oh, yo.
You show your face. Ay. Wait.
That's a little bit.
Opo. Because you hold it like that. Like that. Like that.
I don't look like Dino.
Wait nga. Ayan. Ayan. Ang cute mo. You're vlogging, Nina?
Yes.
Yeah. Show your face. Can you see yourself?
Yes.
Masyado kasi maaraw, hindi niya makita yung mukha niya. What did you eat this morning?
I have eat I don't
You
know.
tell the guys.
I eat breakfast.
You show your face.
Breakfast.
You eat your breakfast? What breakfast you eat?
Coconut bread and cheesy bread, egg and fruit.
Hold it nicely. Nahilo na yung mga guys.
Yeah.
Cookies? Did you say cookies?
Huh? What are you saying about?
What did you say?
I'm saying cookies.
You say cookies?
Yes. It is not cookies, Nina.
It's so hot, ha?
Yeah, it's so hot. It's hot.
Wala nang nakita yung guys. Show your face.
Okay, okay.
Your face.
It's seeing on the grass in the
The what?
the grass in the tree.
The grass in the street. Yeah. They
See
can't see your face.
why?
All they see is grass.
Oh, that's Millie. Did they know because you?
We're home. Okay, let me get the guys. You go inside.
Okay.
What is it? Okay? I thought you hurt yourself. What did you eat, Ava?
She didn't eat anything.
How about you?
That's good.
But that's good. You ate what? You ate cereal?
Yes.
You happy? No?
I want it.
No.
I want it. I want it.
How do you ask? You're already watching Spider-Man, oh. Thank you. This is Nina's, okay? This is Nina's, okay? I'll let you borrow later.
Armor is stored. Yeah, that's it. Sword rhymes with stored. Easy to remember. You'll never catch me.
They're actual pumpkins?
We have web shields. I'm sorry, Spidey. My hiccups ruined our plan to sneak up on Green Goblin.
The pumpkin bombs are actual pumpkins?
It's okay, Spin. You know, when the plan doesn't work, I just find another way to save the day. Give it up, Doc Ock. You can't handle the Spidey team. But can you handle the might of Gigantimate Squishy? Whoa! Gigantopus serum. Now Squishy is big enough to capture the whole Spidey team at once.
Tita Aryan will be back, okay? I'll get some tea. Hey, Alvin, go downstairs. Babies are here. Pinatong ko na naman kayo dyan. Anyways, I need to charge my phone for a bit while I'm upstairs. And yeah, kinalit ko kasi lang yung laman ng bag ko dyan. Ano yung kukunin ko dito? Dunkin. Ito yung pasalubong nila kagabi. I like this. Message naman ng message ito. You don't like donut, Eva?
I like it.
She's eating pantisal. Hold on. That's Tita Aryan. You like that, ano? You like that flavor? Opo? Okay, you can have that. Pipili na lang ako ng ako. No, I want that flavor. Ito ba? Can I change it with sprinkles? Ito yung ipapalit natin. Gusto ko to. Nagpapain si Jacob ng pizza kasi nakakita siya ng pizza box dito. Sarap. Sarap siya. Ang flavor na favorite ko yung ano yung choco butternut. At saka yung ano pala, yung may lamang strawberry sa loob. Tapos powder siyang puti. Tissue. Okay. Your pizza's done. I want you to sit down here.
I'll take this gauntlet to headquarters where it can't cause any more trouble. Bobby's got cameras all over the funhouse. He must have been watching us on the screens when he was playing his tricks. And it looks like he's playing another one on screen right now.
Hiwa-hiwain natin. lang. Konti lang kasi hindi naman niya uubusin lahat. Or mauubos lahat. Come, Dida. You want some pizza? Come, Jacob. You can watch here.
What is a pizza?
Hmm? I will blow your pizza, okay?
What this ones?
It's a donut.
The donut.
It's at Ava's donut.
How many?
Pizza. Pizza, yummy pizza. You show the guys you're eating. Okay. Here. Jacob. Jacob. Hey. Show the guys you're eating. Ay, na-busy. Jacob.
Sorry.
It's okay, pick it up. Where is it? Don't eat it. I said don't eat it. Pinulot at kinain. Okay. Ava. Ava, give me your tablet.
No.
I said eat your bread. Go sit down there.
Where? Where's my bread?
Here, wala sa tablet at table.
Where's my... Oh.
You sit down there. Pull the chair. And sit down. Not that. Thank you.
Last one?
Okay. You blow it. It's hot.
Up.
I'll get punas. Don't punas here. I'll get punas.
That's what she thinks. I'm gonna take quietly until she moves. Then I'll go find Spidey to work.
There she is. Oh, you know I told Black Panther I'd wait for him, but I can't let her get away. Put down that brown dog. Look, it's not yours and neither is that my friend.
Do you have to eat it?
It's not hot anymore? Wow, yummy. Picturean natin, send natin sa...
I thought we agreed to do this together, Spidey. You need to have patience. Slow down.
Okay, let's show your mommy you eating. Jacob, let me take a picture of you. Okay, thank you. May nakatambay yan sa harapan ng bahay. Sa tabi ng puno. Shout out sa iyo, kuya. Tumitingin ako sa labas kasi nandito yung sasakyan ni Chris. Tapos merong nakatambay dyan. Tumayo na si kuya. May dala siyang ano eh. May dala siyang papel. Ayun yata yung nag-doorbell. Naghatid ng sasakyan. Nakita niya ba tayo? No, na-blur siya. Anyways. So yung kuya na yun, ayun yung naghatid nga ng ano. Okay. Akala kong may tumambay lang dyan sa may puno. Kausap niyo yung tatay ko doon sa baba. Doon sa harapan ng bahay. Anyway, akala ko naman kusina. Kakatapos lang nating mag-exporting ng vlog. Habang inaantay natin magkikilay muna ako. Kasi dumadami na yung matawag doon. Basta, kailangan na natin magkilay. Gagamitan natin siya ng wax. May pumasok sa mata ko. Maganda tong wax na gamit ko. Pero ewan ko kung makikita nyo. May puti-puti siya. Ayan o. May puti-puti siya. May gawa niya. Sebastian? Where's Kuya? Akala ko wala akong naghatid kay Sebastian sa practice niya. Ilapit ko kaya para makita nyo. Ayan. Hindi ko, etong nasa gitna, hindi ko sinulat hanggang sa taas. Kasi, hindi ko pa rin tatanggalan yung upper part. Nakikita ba? Pinapantay ko ng tingin yung kaliwa. Pantay pa. Parang wait lang. Gagawin ko na lang off cam yung pagbubunot ko. So, ayan na siya. Ayan na. Ang kinalapasan. Ito, baksak yung buhok ko dito. Pero, itong kanan na ito, ang maraming buhok. Parang gusto kong microblading ba yun? Ano ba yun? Malinis na. Ay, nilinisan ko pala dito sa taas din. Naglinga lang ako ng from here to dito. Ganyan. Tapos pinantay ko lang yung mga line na ginawa ko dito sa magkabilang side. Anyways, yeah, malinis na ang pili natin. Nag-aantay lang ako ng exporting pa rin yung vlog August 24 natin. And from yesterday and today na lang yung i-edit. But I think yesterday na lang yung i-edit ko. Kasi 6 na. And gusto ko matulog ng maaga tonight. Laging kong sinasabi yan. Pero hindi naman ako nakakatulog ng maaga. But anyways, I'm trying every day. Trying every day. An hour, 3 minutes. Ang vlog na to. May pumasok talaga sa sa mata ko kanina pa. Natanggal ko siya. Tapos parang ngayon lang merong gandang-ganda ako sa kilay ko kahit Kahit na mas mataas to kaysa dito. Anyways, ganyan naman talaga mga kilay. Hindi pareho. Hindi yan kambal. Sisters yan. Look at this cute baby. Kanina ko pa siya kinukulit. Amia. Amia.
Huh?
Yes, Nina?
Oh.
Pares kung walang liig. Kanina katabi ko siya eh. Nilayasan ako. Kanina sumasandal ka sa akin eh. Nilayasan ako. Kami ah. Yeah. Out. Busy yung dalawa. Si Eva and Amelia. Umalis sila mama at papa eh. Na malengke. And si Sebastian nasa practice niya pa rin. Uwi niya 7:30. What time is it? 7:15 pa lang. Tanong ko, sagot ko. Can you play with one eye?
No.
Yes. Oh, two eyes. I love you.
I love you too.
Aww. Ate. Ate Eva. Ate Eva. Tickle you. Eva. Hindi ko pa namin yung kilikili mo. Did you really shower? You showered? Huh? Eva.
Yeah. Hi.
You showered? Can you play
Yes.
with one eye?
Yeah.
How about two eyes?
No.
Amelia can play with one eye.
Well,
Good
I
job.
can.
Ooh, you got new earrings?
Yeah, those are mine. Those are the old ones.
I know. That's what I said. You got the new earrings. How about the other side? Do you have one on the other side?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, don't lose it, okay?
Okay.
You lose your first earrings, right?
Yeah, I did.
The one with the screw?
Yeah.
Nung nakuha niya yung first piercing niya, nawala niya. May ano na yun mahigpit na yun sa likod May screw na siya sa likod, nawala niya. Ang busy naman na itong dalawang to. Where's Dida? He was here? Jacob was here? Are you guys playing together?
No.
No. Busy na itong dalawang to. Hindi ako pinapansin pag hindi mo kinakausap. Oh, kids. Amelia, can I get a kiss, please?
Yeah.
I love
I
you.
love you too.
Ate Eva, how about Ate Eva? Can I get a kiss, please? Aww. Hindi siya lumalapit. Si Amelia lang. How about you, Mimi? Kiss me again, please.
Okay.
Kiss Nina. Such a good girl. How about the ate? Can I get a kiss, ate?
Yeah.
This is my second time I ask you. I love you.
I love you too.
Okay. Okay.
We play together.
Nakakuha na rin ako ng kiss kay Eva. Did you guys eat dinner?
No.
No. You ate egg, right? Egg and fish? Ava, what did you eat downstairs? Did you eat dinner?
You don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know if you did? You ate egg, right? Egg and fish?
Basically, I'm fine.
Okay.